Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Canon PIXMA E470 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, I center it. In a properties, we find many options. Scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you want. I am going to the Google Chrome. And in search, type Canon PIXMA E470 driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. Go to this support link. Don't go to this link. Go to the support. Canon support is important. Here we find support PIXMA and our printer name. Open that link. An official website is open of the Canon. Here we find our printer name PIXMA E470. Scroll down. Here we find our operating system. If our bit is not right or the operating system is not correct, then click it here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the plain. And if 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 x64. Click on that. Click on the search. After that, here we find our first driver, printer driver version. Okay, whatever that, click on that. It's redirect you to the another web page. Click on download. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is started at the top and our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Next step is this is our setup file, and this setup file is actually zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on OK. Here we find one folder. Double click on that folder. Double click on that folder, driver, and here we find our drivers. Next step is install these drivers. Go to the start. Type printers and scanners, and click on the printers and scanners. Here we find at the top add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop up on your screen. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click it here and select any port named USB, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find Havdix. Click on Havdix. Click on the browse. Go to the desktop. Select go to the desktop. Here we find our newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Double click on it. Here we find driver. Go to the driver. Here we find two files. Select any file that you want. All file contain same drivers. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find Canon E470 series. It is a series printer, and in this series printer there are many printers. Select that and click on the next. Give any name that you want. I give Canon E470 and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds, less than 1 minute. So wait for a few seconds to completely install our Canon printer on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. Wait for a few seconds to completely install this printer. It is installing our printer on our PC or laptop. Okay, now our printer is now installed, properly installed. After that, if you want to share this printer on network, then select last option. If not, then select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next option is go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners and In a printer list, if you find your printer name Canon E470, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. Close it. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.